O'clock with the Libyan militant who is accused in the 2012 attack in Benghazi. Tonight he's in custody here in D.C. Ahmed Abu Khattala appeared in federal court this afternoon in the district. Richard Reeve was there. He attended the arraignment. He's live now in the newsroom with exactly how it all played out. Rich.
Well, Candace, it was a brief hearing, just about 10 minutes long. There was high security all around the courthouse. Abu Khattala himself wasn't handcuffed or shackled. He was formally charged with a terror-related conspiracy count. All of this half a world away from his home in Libya.
A high-security motorcade, heavily armed police.
I think justice is important.
The D.C. federal courthouse on virtual lockdown.
And I think it is pretty amazing that we were able to bring him back all the way here.
All this for the first court appearance of accused Benghazi attack mastermind Ahmed Abu Khattala.
Anytime we can capture a high-level suspected terrorist, it's a step in the right direction.
4 people, including Ambassador Chris Stevens, were killed in the September 11, 2012 attack on the U.S. Embassy. Witnesses say they saw Abu Khattala directing fighters at the site.
If American lives were lost, then I think that there has to be some review and accountability for what happened.
Through an interpreter, Abu Khattala pleaded not guilty to a charge of conspiracy to provide material support and resources to a terrorist organization. Patricia Smith's son was among those killed.
I'm glad they got one of them. There was a whole bunch that set fire to that place.
After his capture by U.S. Special Forces 2 weeks ago, Abu Khattala was transferred to a U.S. Navy ship and questioned about the attack. Sources say he was read his rights about a week later.
It's certainly an interesting constitutional question about extracting information from people before they've had their Miranda rights read.
Amid the legal dispute, U.S. justice officials hope Abu Khattala can provide key details about other suspects in the attack.
He is really the go-to guy when it comes to intelligence about the other conspirators.
Now, the Obama administration has the position that suspected terrorists should be tried in an American court system, calling it fairer and more efficient. Critics say terror suspects don't deserve the legal protections given by a civilian court. Now, Abu Khattala does have a court-appointed public defender who will remain in custody pending another hearing next week. If he's convicted on this one count, he could face life in a federal prison. In the newsroom, Richard Reeve, ABC 7 News.
Yeah, Rich, no doubt we'll